Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go Survival Builder channel analytics. They have uploaded 184 videos. They now have 6.96 million subscribers with a total view of 1,177,359,172 views. They are from Singapore, and their channel type is entertainment. They created their channel since July 7, 2015. The grade they got is A-, and their Social Blade ranking is at 1098th. The subscriber ranking is 1586th, and then video views rank is 4324th. They ranked it second in Singapore and 510th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Survival Builder is around 12k with a daily view of 2,840,109. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,800,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $11,200. Then, monthly income will be $336,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $184,800 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $2,217,600. That is how much Survival Builder makes from YouTube.